Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Today I'll start the chapter number 9, the crow who showed off. What is the meaning of showed off? Those who are boasting, those who are showing something that they are not having, showing their quality. Boasting means also that telling more, showing off more their quality, more than they are having this quality. That is showed off. Here, look, you are also facing this type of situation. My dress is from London. Someone had gone, someone is having relative. But what is the thing to showing another one? You are also having some friend, they are showing like this. Not only that, like this. They are also having like this pencil box, their car, like this. My father has a driver. I'll request him to allow us to ride in his car. But that is the good quality. If he is having a car, he is having means his father is having, he wants to enjoy with his friends. That is called sharing. Sharing his enjoyment. Next, he wants to show his pencil box. Just I have told you. Sometime you have got a nice pencil box from your birthday. You are not giving to your friends, but you are showing them. But another students, he is very intelligent. Not only intelligent, he is very practical in mind. My simple pencil box also keeps my pencil together and safe. You need this sweater more than I do. That is the important thing. If you are having more than this, you can donate. You can help the poor children. Okay? So that's the value. That these all stories that is growing. Okay? That is growing your values, your moralities. So we can read the story. Once in a forest there lived a group of crows. One crow among them was stronger than the rest. Rest means, and all of this. His name was Rex. Rex could fly higher and faster than all the crows. He always boasted, just I am telling, boasted means more than this. Badiye bola. He knew 101 ways of flying. The other crows were very impressed and made him their king. Soon he became King Rex, an arrogant bird. One day, from a land far away, arrogant means, what is the meaning of arrogant? He is very proud and our behavior also is not good. One day, from a land far away, an eagle came to the forest. His name was Aquilia. So, just do you like the name? Aquilia Rex, like this. Crows saw Aquilia flying in the sky. They were impressed by the manner in which he was flying. Actually, we know that the eagle was flying very fast and very far away from the ground. When he landed, they gathered around him. They boasted about King Rex to Aquilia. One crow said, "Our king is the greatest." Another crow said, "Yes, he knows a lot of different ways of flying. He is truly great." The other crows then called loudly, cheering Rex because they don't know another bird and they were always cheering Rex. They thought that Rex was their king. Though Aquilia was very simple and wise, he was quite taken aback by the crows. Taken aback means just they were stopped in the talking. The crows praise of their king. Hearing about the glory of the King Rex, Aquilia expressed his wish to meet him. He asked, "May I have the honor of meeting King Rex?" So he wants to meet the King Rex. The crows happily led him to meet King Rex. Aquilia bowed low and actually he bowed down and before the King Rex and said, "I'm grateful to have met you, O great king." The king asked, "How many ways can you fly?" Actually, he heard that. He can fly many ways. The wise Aquilia, wise means those who are having knowledge and surprise. He said, "I know only one way to fly, O king." King Rex puffed his chest and said, "I know 101 ways of flying. Let me show you some." Then he went to show Aquilia his acrobatic flying. Acrobatic means you know that. Sometimes you are doing the gymnastics, some yoga means in a new format. That is acrobatic flying. Finally, when the King Rex landed, he said, "Now, Aquilia, you show me your way." Eagles fly very high and very fast. So Aquilia rose slowly and easily into the sky. King Rex went along too. Then Aquilia gathered speed and flew even higher. They're eagle. They're bigger than crow and they know how to fly higher and very fast. He could not keep up with the skill of an eagle. He struggled to fly alongside Aquilia. He fell into the sea. The arrogant king was about to drown. In the nick of time, just at that moment, in the nick of time means at that moment, Aquilia dived down and saved King Rex. He picked up the King Rex with the strong claws and took him back to the forest. As the King Rex recovered, he realized his foolishness, humbled by Aquilia's scales. Humbles means very gentle. Aquilia's skill and modesty. King Rex was never arrogant about his flying again. Soon, the modest Aquilia and the humbled king become good friends. So many quality of the behaviors, modesty, humble, all these things, humbleness, this you can just see. And besides that, another opposite quality also, arrogant, boastfulness, you have learned. So what is the value of the story? What is the moral of the story? So we should be always humble about our quality because we don't know how much quality another person have or how much things they should have. Whatever things, whatever quality we are having, we should be very humble, very modest. So that is the story of today. You should read only the story. Next week or next class, I will tell again the story and also do the question answer. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.